Hi, now let's discuss about the remaining type of sensors for bioinstrumentation, electrical sensors and optical sensors. So first, I want to describe electromagnetic spectrum, which is described in this rough diagram, that there is a shorter wavelength to longer wavelength. All electromagnetic waves are produced by electron acceleration, especially periodical motion. So you can see from UV, ultraviolet, to visible light, which is about 400 to 700 nanometer wavelength range, and IR, it's infrared range. So our visible light is only a very narrow part of the spectrum, which can be visualized and recognized by our eye, especially the retinal system of cones. So let's start with the electrical sensors. So we can use electrode to detect electrical potential of our body parts, especially like heart, that we call as electrocardiogram or ECG or EKG. That ECG measures the electrical activity of the heart through electrodes non-invasively put on the surface of defined location of our body. So such as you've already seen this ECG. And the next is a cardiac pacemaker, or we call artificial pacemaker, because our heart has its own pacemaker called SA node and AV node. We have developed this artificial pacemaker, which is a medical device to regulate the beating of the heart or heart rate using electrical impulses, which is delivered by the electrode. You can see here a pacemaker is implantable, and that electrode is going through these veins and to right atrium and right ventricle, so that it can provide a regular heartbeat for those who has a problem with the heartbeat, or we called it as a arrhythmia. So the next is about defibrillator. So when a person has a cardiac arrest, so that is an emergency case, and we can use external electrical shock to reset the heart and regain the proper rhythm. So that is called AED, or automated external defibrillator. And this is a portable electronic device that automatically diagnose and correct cardiac arrhythmia of ventricular fibrillation. So you can see a person, let's say, has a cardiac arrest, then this portable device, you attach it in a proper location, like here and here, that's kind of going through the heart, then it will analyze the data of the heartbeat, and then it can decide to give a shot for this arrhythmia, which is caused by, in this case, ventricular fibrillation, which is a very important dangerous condition. So that we call arrhythmia, or irregular heartbeat.